Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Nivis Magic Box. Today I will tell you about a beautiful festival Bhogi, Sankranthi and Kanuma.
Sankranthi sandalle 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 Sankranthi sandalle angaranga vaibhav.
Bhogi is the first day. Before Bhogi, we clean our houses and remove old things. In the morning, we light Bhogi fire to welcome new beginnings. Sankranthi is the main festival. We draw rangoli and wear new clothes and cook special food like Pongal. We thank the sun god and farmers for our food. We'll enjoy with our family a lot. Kanuma is the third day. On Kanuma, we respect animals, especially cows, because they help farmers. Families spend time together happily. These festivals teach us to be thankful, clean, and kind. Once again, happy Bhogi, Sankranthi, and Kanuma. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Sorry for late wishes. Do like, share, and subscribe.